2019 Nissan Altima Intelligent All-Wheel Drive makes an appearance on the Altima for the first time, able to send 50% of torque to the rear wheels. It's available for any of the 5 trims, but only with the 2.5-liter 4-cylinder. General drivetrain enhancements include the installation of monotube rear shocks, suspension reinforcements and geometry changes, plus a dual-pinion electric power steering system. The base wheel for the S trim is a 16-incher with wheel covers, while the other trims start with a 17-inch alloy. The SR and Platinum trims with a 2.0-liter turbo can get a 19-inch wheel. Nissan Altima proPILOT Assist comes standard on SV, SL, and Platinum trims, as does new assistance tech like rear automatic braking and traffic sign recognition.